Now, we know there are a lot of questions about property tax relief and what happens next. And you can text your questions to the number right there on your screen, 459-9442. But Ashley, since we've got you right here with us, why don't we start with some questions that we've received today? Are you ready for this?
I think I'm ready.
All right, let's start with this. What does the homestead exemption mean?
Okay, so if you think about the amount of property taxes, you get your appraisal and there's a value and there's a taxable value. When you have a homestead exemption, that is the reduction, so you get to take that much money off of the taxable value of your home, reducing how much of your home's value is actually taxed, what you actually have to pay taxes on. So right now that's $40,000. So if your house is worth $200,000, you have a $40,000 exemption, you pay taxes on $160,000. If it's raised to $100,000, you only have to pay taxes on $100,000.
Pretty significant difference there. All right, another question that we've already received. Will this be on our 2024 taxes?
Well, if this passes and the voters approve it during the November election, yes, you would see the difference in 2024 because the bill is written, the language in the bill applies it to the 2023 tax year. So you would see it reflected in next year.
All right, you're doing great. Next
Thank
question,
you.
our last question of the day. What does the property tax agreement mean for renters?
Well, I'm doing great, but you're not going to like the answer to this one at all. Okay, so it does not give any direct benefit to renters. The idea from lawmakers who support this legislation say, well, property owners will pass down the savings to renters. And they say if they don't pass down the savings, we have a competitive market and renters could always move and choose to find somewhere else to live. So they think it's more of a trickle-down effect, not a direct effect on renters.
All right, as long as you have questions about the property tax relief plan, we're going to keep answering your questions.
Yeah, just text them to 512-459-9442, the number on your screen there, and we'll have more questions here on KVUE as this story continues to develop.